There's no sun. There hasn't been sun all day, and if I had been cooking food, it would be a nightmare. But luckily I'm not. I'm cooking soil in it. So maybe tomorrow will be a good day. And this is a tracking solar cooker. So it can track from morning to evening. If tomorrow's a sunny day or even partly sunny day, it will be cooked and weed free and ready to go for plants. Just going to show you the temperature here. So it's 100.7, 106 there. Here it's 100.8, and from the outside it's 70.9 degrees. That's just because of the plasticky stuff on it. And it is 5:06. So this has tracked the sun since, with this little arrangement, since about, I don't know, 8:45, and it'll just stay tracking the sun until about just after 6. But the sun might have just gone across the house then. So it's August 7th, and this is the little thing I put my pots on when I solar cook. And yesterday I solar cooked this, and so I filled it fairly full with water, and well, pretty much to the top with water. Put this in and cook. Just left it all day, and then what I'm going to do is dump it out. So it's just weeds and trimmings off my tomatoes and stuff like that. So it's been pretty well cooked, and you know, small weeds as well. Small weeds, big weeds, trimmings from the tomatoes. And I'm not sure what this one smells like. Can't really describe it, but it smells like some sort of sweet soup that you might make. Because there's some fennels in it, some little baby fennel plants in it. So I've been using it. I've been using the water at, say, I don't know, a small amount per watering can. So maybe at something like 1 in 15, 1 in 20 on my plants when I'm watering. So I don't know if it's good or bad to do that, but my plants seem to be okay. You'll see there's some thistles in it too. There's some just stuff that I weeded out of my plants. So I'm going to start using that maybe tomorrow, the day after. And I'm going to put a pot of soil in here, or I'm going to fill this with soil, and then a yogurt. This thing. I fill it with very dry soil, then I put this thing of water in with the soil, and it absorbs completely into the soil, and leave it for the day. So it's 9, just after 9 now, so I will leave it until about 7 p.m. It will solar cook from about 9 till 6, and I put an oven bag over the whole thing, and it'll cook at 80
80 to 100 degrees once it warms up for pretty much the whole day.